So what I have here is a 4-port VGA USB KVM. It's by Iogear. On the back it shows the back of the unit and just a quick display of hooking up to different types of computers. So inside we've got a little nondescript box. So a product manual and some promotional material. So this is going to be the main KVM. So it's a pretty sleek desktop little box. It's got 2 molded cables built in, which is fine because you're always going to have more than 2 hooked up anyways. And then there's an additional cable and another one here. So the side, this is where you're going to plug in your speakers, your line to your VGA monitor, and then your 2 USB devices. They say mouse and keyboard, but it's just connected straight through the host, so you could run a hub or hook up a hard drive, whatever else you wanted. And then on the front here we'll have a little display of what it's hooked up to.